gases in them, the fun shit, no more cancer! Pussies. What's up, all you corn dogs and cornholes? You're watching A Few Hours with Ori. Today, we're going to be reviewing the General Electric Cool White T8 LED replacement. 66 fucking episodes. What the fuck is wrong with this? It's a cool white. Now, this is a 20 rack. A lot of fucking light bulbs at a couple bucks a pop. Let me just tell you that right now. And LEDs are more expensive, but they don't have the. Why the fuck can I not find the fucking proper fucking dick thickness of fucking fluorescent bulbs? Because a T8, while it has the same goddamn connector and it can also be 48 fucking inches, like my pecker. Anyway, those ain't worth a fuck. Let me tell you that right now. Great value, my ass. And they had a fucking 30 pack, a contractor's pack, because I need about 25 of the bitches. Because I've got, what's 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, by the way, like and subscribe, comment. If you're on YouTube, fucking hit the goddamn button. It's fucking easy. If we get enough subscribers, maybe I can take a little time off and, you know, take my paternity leave. How many dumbasses does it take to put in a light bulb? Just one. And I forgot the rest.
Your man.
Changing gears, baby. Let me go get that ladder and take a piss. I think I'm going to hold the piss in. That's going to make it more,
exciting, yeah. Especially if you piss yourself, that's going to be real good.
Big shout out to Lenovo. Be cool if you sent me another computer.
We'll name kids after it, whatever you want.
Lenovo Petty.
Petty,
Mama might not like it, but we're pretty hard up. Bud Light Seltzer's fucking 5% alcohol by volume, and it comes with Twisted Berry, Blue Raspberry, and my fucking favorite, I hope it tastes just like fucking Sonic. Sonics, if you're listening, we're looking for sponsors. I love your hot dogs. The hot dogs are fucking dope. But cherry limeade, bitch! Fuck off! Shout out to the North Face. I'm wearing their Summit Series jacket today. They don't give me any money, but if you want to, I'll tell you how great it is. Because it's great. We gotta make sure that this row of lights does not have any power. And we should probably grab some gloves. We gotta get the power off before we touch the pin. It makes it harder to steal, baby.
Yeah, this music's pretty uplifting. I think he'll be all right. Smash it, smash it, smash it.
Yeah. We can act like Luke Skywalker and crack it on the head. Don't do that.
Are you just changing them out of spite? Because they were all on. And you're gonna dance and stroke them each. Air guitar it.
It's a bass.
Punk scene, that's what I'm all about, like punk bass.
A few moments later.
Now we gotta get the format LED light, fluorescent replacement T8 with the 1 inch, not the 1.5 inch diameter capsule. Fuck y'all, I thought this was America. I want bigger fucking tubes. No, honestly, I should probably be wearing a mask in case one of these motherfuckers blows up in my hand and explode, because I've seen a lot over my lifetime, which could explain a lot. These fucking light bulbs, I just fucking yank them out. Don't breathe too much of that shit in, it'll fucking kill you. Any one of us could fall off a ladder at any time, you know? Any one of us could fucking...
Oh shit! Come on, baby. Ooh, that does not look good.
God damn it! Compatible my fucking ass! General Electric! 0 out of fucking 0!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Computer on just to fuck.
God damn, that fucking pisses me off. What the fuck happened? You know, I mean, the other lights work. They gotta work. It's a really cold light.
You sure it's not a black light?
It's like, they know anybody like
gas
that's
breathe.
got like a fucking got an N on some T12 bulbs. We won't have to tell nobody about anything, and
go
I'll
on
pay
eBay.
cash. Oh fuck, I'm streaming. Send me a DM. I don't know how you do that on here.
Just type in the chat. F in the chat.
Yep, the starter pack. It just sounds like somebody pulled in my driveway. Hold on, let me grab my gun real quick.
All right.